We are making the panettone leftover pudding. We're gonna start from the custard that is done with 4 lemons, the zest and the juice. That first we grate all the zest.
Squeeze the lemons.
Warm up the double cream with the zest from 4 lemons. With a strainer, you filter the juice
And bring to a boil, then remove from heat. Cut leftover panettone in rough pieces.
And now we're gonna whisk the eggs together with the sugar.
Whisk and cool lemon mixture.
This goes over the night in the fridge.
Pour the lemon custard over the sliced panettone in a baking tray and bake in the oven for 25 minutes. Remove from oven. Dust with icing sugar.
And so this is our leftover panettone pudding with the lemon from Amalfi.